Welcome back, Crypto Shakeel official channel. I am Shakeel Akhtar Yusufzai. Today video Dogecoin, Doge meme coin. Dogecoin price prediction. Dogecoin investor can expect 25% upswing 0.968. This range is very high. Dogecoin price tight range for the last few months. The recent sweep range low buy signal as Dogecoin recovered the recent losses. Now the Dogecoin to continue this trend to move higher. Dogecoin meme coin extension of this move and 0.108 hurdle, bringing the total gain to 42% upswing. 42%. Dogecoin price breakdown selling 0.0704, flipping into a resistance level invalidate the bullish. Dogecoin lower low and retest 0.0642. Dogecoin need a 10% price volatility for the last 1 month. Dogecoin 14-day RSI relative strength index indicating Dogecoin is neutral position. Dogecoin RSI 14-day 44.72 indicating Dogecoin is neutral currently market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more latest videos. Goodbye.